Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the Ducati Panigale V4, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Bburago. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Ducati Panigale V4 replica comes in a clamshell window type box, which is a standard boxing by Bburago. So as you can see, bang in the middle is the Bburago logo alongside the name of this model, which is the Ducati Panigale V4. And on this bottom corner of the box, you will see the Bburago branding along with the scale of this model, which is a 118 scale, along with the Italian design branding, which is pretty much the same on the top, the sides and the back as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box, you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this open. So before we begin, I just want to let you know that I've done an exclusive unboxing of the 118 scale Ducati 1199 Panigale and the Ducati Super Sport S, which are manufactured by Maisto, of which I'll drop the link in the description. So go check it out if you're interested and let me know what you think in the comments below. And with that out of the way, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details, which is standard with the Bburago motorcycle replicas. And I should admit that this model looks quite amazing and looks exactly like its real life counterpart. So, getting down to a few features and specifications, this model comes with a black and silver chassis with the signature Ducati factory red color scheme with minimalistic Ducati branding. This replica comes with a steerable front fork and also comes with a well-detailed headlight which seamlessly flows into the front fairing, which has a visor. And this unit flows into a two-piece handlebar with a pair of hand grips and clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a black front fender that wraps around a beautiful black alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in red with the Ducati logo on both sides, which are in white. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt, which is wrapped around by a beautifully sculpted fairing, which is painted in the signature Ducati factory red with minimalistic Ducati branding along with the dual exhaust unit under it, with the rest of the midsection components blacked out. And talking about the seat, it's a single MotoGP style seat which is in black that flows into a well sculpted tailpiece, and the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front but comes with a rear race style fender and a number plate. And just to mention, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front, which is rigid, and this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale motorcycle specs. And before we go ahead, let's take a look at this Ducati Panigale V4 alongside the Ducati Panigale 1199 and the Ducati Super Sport S. And please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Ducati diecast replicas are your favorite. So let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of it, these three Ducati replicas might look similar to the untrained eye, but in all honesty, they look unique and amazing in their own way. And all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well-detailed diecast replica of the Ducati Panigale V4, and I'm glad I got this variation to add to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica and a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you're a Ducati enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. So with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed Ducati Panigale V4 replica on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, by the looks of it, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the highly detailed exteriors, and this Ducati motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Ducati Panigale V4 coming up. The name Panigale comes from a small manufacturing town of Borgo, Panigale. The Ducati Panigale V4 is a sports bike with a 1103cc desmodromic 90-degree V4 engine introduced by Ducati in 2018 as the successor to the V-twin engine 1299. A smaller engine displacement version complies with the Superbike category competition regulations, which state over 750cc up to 1000cc for 3 and 4-cylinder 4-stroke engines. The Panigale V4 uses the new Desmosedici Stradale V4 engine derived from the Desmosedici MotoGP racing engine. The Panigale V4 is Ducati's first large production street bike with the V4 engine, Ducati having primarily used V-twins since the 1960s except on prototypes and racing motorcycles. They had sold a short run of 1500 street legal V4 Desmosedici RRRs in 2007 and 2008 and made 2 prototypes of the Apollo V4 in 1964. The initial development of the Panigale V4 started with the 2015 MotoGP racing engine. Ducati said the Panigale V4 was designed to combine racing features while also being an entertaining and rideable motorcycle with a durable engine. And for further information on the Ducati Panigale V4, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Ducati Panigale V4 replica, I dropped the best buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Ducati diecast replica. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates. And please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes in the playlist below. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.